Every business wants to reduce operational costs. Market pressure makes efficiency unavoidable. This pressure is strongest in supply chains. Delays increase costs. Inefficiency hurts margins. This is where AI steps in. More specifically, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is more than a chatbot. It acts as an intelligent assistant. It automates tasks and supports decisions. In supply chains, this impact is powerful. ChatGPT helps process large volumes of data. It analyzes orders, inventory, and customer queries. Routine tasks get automated. Order tracking becomes instant. Customer inquiries get faster responses. Demand forecasting improves. ChatGPT analyzes historical data and real-time signals. This reduces stock shortages and excess inventory. Supply chain visibility improves. Teams get clearer insights without manual effort. Customer experience improves. ChatGPT communicates naturally and accurately. Predictive insights reduce risks. Problems are flagged before they escalate. There are challenges. Data quality matters. Processes must be aligned. Teams must adapt. But the value is clear. ChatGPT is no longer optional. It is becoming a core supply chain tool. Businesses that adopt it move faster. Those that don't fall behind. The future of supply chains is intelligent, and ChatGPT is driving that shift.